Hello students, greetings for the day. I am Sanjay Singh from Uma Devi Children's Academy. Welcome to class 7th GK. Today in this video I will discuss about international awards. Before starting the video related to this topic, I want to ask one thing, that whatever the homework I gave you in the last video related to the last topic, I hope you would have completed that homework in your fair notebook of GK. So now let us start our video. As today's video topic is about international awards, before starting the video related to this topic, I will ask some questions related to this topic. My first question is, do you know the name of some international awards? I think most of the students know the name of some international awards as Oscar Award, Nobel Prize, Pulitzer Prize, Raman Magsaysay Award and so on. My second question is, do you have proper knowledge of these awards? If you don't have, so no problem, because in this video I will discuss about some international awards as Oscar Award, Nobel Prize, Pulitzer Prize, Raman Magsaysay Award and so on with proper detail. So please watch this video very carefully. Hello students, I am again with you with the new topic from the GK Beyond topic, and the name of the topic is about international awards. Before starting the video related to this topic and related to the international awards, first of all I will clear the definition of international award, that what are international awards. As you are watching on the screen, that I have written a clear concept related to international awards. So international awards are the honors or recognition of an individual or a community. Means to say that international awards are the honors, recognition or the achievements of an individual at the international level. Usually these recognitions, means these achievements, are in the fields of science, mathematics, literature, technology, community services, environmental services, architecture, bravery, philanthropy, arts, sports, movies, theatre and other fields. Means to say that each individual gives his or her contribution in different fields at the international level, and after that he or she is awarded with international awards in different categories. So the first international award is Oscar Award. So this Oscar Award is given or bestowed in the field of film industry. So the Academy Awards, popularly known as the Oscars, are awards for the artistic and technical merit in the film industry. It is regarded as the most famous and prestigious awards in the entertainment industry. Given annually by the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences, the awards are an international recognition of excellence in cinematic achievements as assessed by the Academy's voting membership. The various category winners are awarded a copy of a golden statute, officially called the Academy Award of Merit, although more commonly referred to by its nickname the Oscar. Means to say that Oscar Award is bestowed or given in the area of film industry, and this award is given in the end of the year. So it is an annually award, and the movie is selected for the Oscar Award by the members of the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences. And the winner of 2020 for Oscar Award is Brad Pitt. He is an actor and he is awarded for his movie Once Upon a Time. And students, The next one is Nobel Prize. So Nobel Prize, it is an international award, and it is given in the end of the year in different fields. So first of all, I'll describe whatever I have written on the screen, and after that I'll detail, or I'll summarize it in my own words. So the Nobel Prize is a set of annual international awards bestowed in several categories by Swedish and Norwegian institutions in recognition of academic, cultural, or scientific advances. The will of the Swedish chemist, engineer, and industrialist Alfred Nobel established the five Nobel Prizes in 1895. The prizes in chemistry, literature, peace, physics, and physiology or medicine were first awarded in 1901. The prizes are widely regarded as the most prestigious awards available in their respective fields. Means to say that Nobel Prize is given in five areas in the starting, and these five areas were chemistry, literature, peace, physics, and physiology or medicine. But now in the present time, this Nobel Prize is given in six fields, and the sixth one is economics. So in the present time, the Nobel Prize is given in the area of six, and these six areas are chemistry, literature, peace, physics, physiology or medicine, and economics. And this Nobel Prize is given in the memory of Alfred Nobel, who was the Swedish chemist, engineer, and industrialist. And this award is given on the basis of the will of Alfred Nobel. So here I have written separately that Nobel Prize is awarded for outstanding contributions for humanity in chemistry, literature, peace, physics, and physiology or medicine. But you can add to it the field of economics also. And the winners of 2020 for this Nobel Prize are Roger Penrose in the field of physics, Charles M. Rice in the field of physiology and medicine. The third one is Pulitzer Prize. So this Pulitzer Prize is given or bestowed in the field of magazine, newspaper, and journalism. In one word, you can say that Pulitzer Prize is given in the field of journalism. So first of all, I'll describe whatever I have written related to Pulitzer Prize, and after that I'll brief or summarize in my own words. So the Pulitzer Prize is an award for achievements in newspaper, magazine, and online journalism, literature, and musical composition within the United States. It was established in 1917 by provisions in the will of Joseph Pulitzer, who had made his fortune as a newspaper publisher and is administered by Columbia University. Pulitzer prizes are awarded yearly in 21 categories. In 20 of the categories, each winner receives a certificate and a US dollar, means US $15,000 cash award. And in the bracket it has been given that raised from $10,000 in 2017. Means to say the cash that is given to the winner of Pulitzer Prize. It was $10,000 in 2017, but now this cash has been raised, and in the present time, this cash is given to the winner of Pulitzer Prize is $15,000. So I have discussed it already that Pulitzer Prize is given in the field of journalism, and this award is given in 21 categories, and this award is given on the basis of the will of Joseph Pulitzer, or we can say that this Pulitzer prize is given in the memory of Joseph Pulitzer, and this award is administered by Columbia University, and this Pulitzer prize is awarded for excellency in or excellence in newspaper journalism, literary achievements, musical composition. But I have told you already that in one word we can say that Pulitzer Prize is bestowed or given in the field of journalism, and this award belongs to the country United States, and it is presented by the Columbia University, and the Pulitzer Prize was awarded first time in 1917, and the winner of this prize is Channi Anand for photography. And the next one is Raman Magsaysay Award. So Raman Magsaysay Award is given in the field of social service or government service. So first of all, I will clear whatever I have written, and after that I will summarize it in a nutshell. So the Raman Magsaysay Award is an annual award, means to say it is given in the end of year, and it is established to perpetuate former Philippine President Raman Magsaysay's example of integrity in misgovernance, courageous service to the people. Means to say that this Raman Magsaysay Award is given for the integrity in governance, courageous service to the people, and pragmatic idealism within a democratic society. And this prize was established in April 1957 by the trustees of the Rockefeller Brothers Fund based in New York City with the concurrence of the Philippine government. We can say that this Raman Magsaysay Award is given in the memory of the former Philippine President Raman Magsaysay, and this award is given for the integrity in governance, courageous service to the people, and idealism within a democratic society. And this award was initiated or established in or propounded in April 1957 by the trustees of the Rockefeller Brothers Fund based in New York City. And Raman Magsaysay Award is awarded for outstanding contributions in government service, public service, community leadership, journalism, literature and creative communication, or arts, peace and international understanding, and emergent leadership. But in one word, we can say that Raman Magsaysay Award is given in the field of social service or public service. And first time this award was given in India to Acharya Vinoba Bhave for the social service. And this award belongs to the country Philippines, and the winner of this award is Rabish Kumar in 2019, Mother Teresa, Acharya Vinoba Bhave, and so on. So students, I have cleared some important international awards. Now, in the end of the video, I will ask some questions related to this topic. My first question is, in which field is the Oscar award is given? Please pause the video and tell the answer of this question. In which field is the Oscar award is given? Yes, the Oscar award is given in the field of entertainment or in the field of film industry. My second question is in how many fields is the Nobel Prize is given? So pause the video and think. Yes, in the starting the Nobel Prize was given in 5 fields, but now in the present time it is given in 6 fields, and these fields are chemistry, literature, peace, physics, physiology or medicine, and economics. And my next question is, in which field is the Pulitzer Prize is given? So please pause the video and think. Yes, the Pulitzer Prize is given in the field of magazine, newspaper and journalism. In one word we can say this award is given in the field of journalism. And the next one is, in which field is Raymond Magsaysay award is given? So please pause the video and think. Yes, Raymond Magsaysay award is given in the field of social service, government service and public service. So students, I have cleared some important some important international awards, and for better understanding you have to watch this video 3 or 4 times, and if you have any confusion or any problem you can call me directly without any hesitation. And as homework you have to note down all the things whatever I have discussed in your fair notebook of GK. So thank you and thank you so much.